Can you guys imagine living in the beautiful Arizona winters down here where the average temperature is right in that 70 range and you're looking for a great place to snowbird? I have something for you. My newest listing. This is amazing. So this little place, I want to tell you a little bit about it. This is a 55 and up community. So if you're over the age of 55, this is a great place to take a look at because it has a community center, pool, spa, tennis court, pickleball, and everybody has a golf cart. It even has a golf cart garage in the back. I'll show you that in a second. But a little bit about this place. Hey, if you're into having something that's not going to cost you a lot in taxes, and the HOA fees are only $400 a year, and you own the land. It's not rented, you own the land. So you're buying the land and the trailer house comes with it. That's how I would think of it. So a lot of these homes in this community are either a double wide or a single wide. This one happens to be a single wide, but it's been updated by a ton. One of the first things that you're gonna notice is it has a brand new roof, so you don't have to worry about leaks or anything like that. It was owned by a builder, so he went through the house and he did everything right. He actually literally overdid it, in my opinion, because he has stucco on this place, which that's a rarity when you find something like this. Everybody's gonna have lap boarding or metal siding. This is stucco, so it really stands out. It's landscaped, simple, easy. It has an RV gate, so if you're coming down here with your RV, you got a place to actually pull it in. It has a carport that you can get 2 cars underneath. Not to mention, I don't know if I have or not, but it has brand new windows through the whole place. So, I mean, it has a ton of little things that mean a lot. So if you're gonna be down here in the winter, you're gonna want a nice little place to get away and have some of your friends come and visit you. Well, this is big enough because this is, even though it's a single wide, it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and brand new flooring, over 722 square feet in the single wide. But down here, they add these Arizona rooms. This is over 300 square feet. Just imagine what you can do in this space. You have tons of room for another couch, TV, a bed. Possibilities are endless. And you got your wash and dryer hookup right here. You have the little cart garage that has a little bench in here. So if you're like to putter around and do some stuff, this is a great little spot to park your golf cart and have your tools. You come out here in the back, you have a lot of space back here. This is amazing amount of backyard in here. This lot is bigger than most people's lots on a single family house. Oh, and look at this. You have everything that's recently put in this year. Brand new air conditioner that was recently put in. I mean, stucco all the way around the house. You don't see that on any of these. This is a great buy. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms and the bathroom, and then we'll check a lot of this out here. So the one thing I notice when I come in here, it's nice and cool. They've insulated when they put the new roof on, so it's cool in here. So if you want to live here year-round, this place could definitely be a year-round place. So you have the bathroom that has the walk-in shower, so you don't have to be stepping over a tub or worrying about anything. Big area to get in and out. So, I mean, that is awesome. You have in here, you have the main suite. Nice size. Fits the queen in here nicely. brand new lighting actually through the entire house also, so that's kind of nice. So this has been added on also. Right outside is the carport, separate entrance. So if you had somebody that was staying over or staying with you, you have a separate entrance coming in and out of there so they don't disturb you in the middle of the night. Hey, if you're thinking about buying down here in Arizona and you want to be here in this beautiful weather, golfing, hiking, doing all kinds of fun activities, please reach out to me. Happy to help you out. I'm from the Midwest too. All my information is down below. I hope to hear from you soon, and you could not go wrong by buying this property. Hey, I'll catch you guys later.